Welcome to Payammaners live tutorial. Today I will teach you the 3 steps in generating your link involve Asia to earn more sales.
First step, go to cashback and click the 3 dots. Click the share and lastly click the copy link.
Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, I always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right.
Second step in generating your link and involve Asia. First, go to shop and click the 3 dots and click the copy link.
Be damned, planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone,
Don't forget to generate your link before posting it in your social media account, so that you can get commission.
I'm alright. It's so cold.
Lastly, the third step in generating your link. First, go to specific item, save the image and post it in your FB account. Then copy the link and generate it before posting it as your description.
Let us check if you will be direct to the item you promote. After clicking the link, it means you are successfully generated your link. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you.